Hi, this is Fatima. It's a part 3 of an ASP.NET Core webapi tutorial. In this video, let us understand the terms and concepts related to HTTP. It's a continuation of part 2 of an ASP.NET Core webapi tutorial. So please watch part 2 before proceeding. CRUD versus HTTP verb. When we talk about a database table row, these are the actions that we can perform on a row. Create a row, read a row, update a row and delete a row. And in the context of ASP.NET Core Web API resource, these 4 actions corresponds to the HTTP verb post, get, put and delete respectively. Understand some terms and concepts that related to HTTP request and the response system. HTTP terms. The first term, the request verb or HTTP verbs. These HTTP verbs get, post, put and delete are the most commonly used one that describe what should be done with a resource. For example, do we want to create or read or update or delete an entity? For the complete list of HTTP verbs, please check this website. When the request header. When the client sends a request to the server, the request contains header and a body. The request header contains some additional information such as what type of response is required. For example, do we want the response in XML or JSON? Web API that we have created in our previous video sessions, we got this output. This response we got in JSON format. It means that our request header may contain additional information such as we need the response back in JSON format. And the third HTTP term is the request body. The request body contains the data to send to the server. For example, for this post request contains the data for the new item that we want to create. The data format may be in XML or JSON format. Response body. Response body contains the data sent as response from the server. For example, if the request is for a specific product, then the response body includes product details either in XML or JSON format. For this example, a response body may include these values in JSON format. Response status code. These are the HTTP status code that gives the client details on the status of the request. Some of the common status code are 200 for OK, 404 for not found and 204 for no content. Looking for the various controller, it produces an output as expected. If we try to look for the controller that is not actually present in our project, for example product, we are not having any such controller with the name product in our project. So let us run with this. This results in the HTTP error code 404. That is nothing but the status code 404 is not found. The page is not found. In Web API, we can control what status code these methods written. We will discuss how to do that in our upcoming video. In our next video, let us see what are all the tools available to test our ASP.NET Core Web API project, and let us do download and install it.